What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Eat Sleep Drive. And it's a super hot day here in Ohio, but it's going to be a fun one because we're going to this thing called Gears and Beers, which is at a local brewery. But also today is kind of the unveil of my buddy Ethan's twin turbo LS 240 build. So you guys are familiar at least a little bit with my LS 240. He's got two turbos on his. It makes stupid power. So I'm super anxious to see it. I haven't seen it in person. I've only seen videos, and we're gonna cruise with him today. So you just got the car warming up here. Like I mentioned, it's a super hot day. We're gonna head to, it's called Mad Tree Brewing. We're gonna go there now. This is a little bit of a homecoming for this car because even though I did the swap in my garage, part of what we did was like rebuild the heads, and we did that here, and the car was tuned here. So it's a little bit of a pilgrimage back for this car. This is my friend Ethan's car, who works at Turning Concepts. It's an LS 240SX like mine, except his has two turbos hanging off it. Ethan just finished this car, so a trip to the local car show seemed like a good excuse for its first shakedown. As you would imagine, the car draws a bit of a crowd, but there were a ton of other cool cars there with a great turnout for a scorching hot day. It was finally time to leave, and we had to make some noise on the way back to the shop. Could you give me a rundown of the setup, like the general setup of this?
5.3 LS, just a truck motor.
Iron block, right?
What's up?
Iron block?
Yep, iron block. Stock heads, Brian Tooley Racing Stage 3 turbo cam, off the shelf stuff. Twin 62mm turbos for Borg Warners. And then Haltech Elite 2000 for management. And then custom harness from Ascension Motorsport. Yeah, that's really it. Corbin Johnson tuned it. He's the man.
Yeah, I think we've all seen that video on the dyno.
Oh yeah. Shooting some flames.
Oh man, it sounds really good.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Make some heat.
Yeah, a little bit. Day like today when it's 92 degrees and 100% humidity.
Yeah. Oh, it made it. First maiden voyage.
It did. Put a whole 4 miles on this thing. Whoop whoop.
Nice.
But
More to come. Well guys, there you have it. A little bit of twin turbo LS action for you to counter my NA LS build. That thing sounds amazing, and I can't wait to see more from it, and hopefully Ethan will be kind enough to grace us with his presence in the future, and we'll get more when, you know, it's not on its first maiden voyage. This is the first time it's been on the street, and we'll get some like standing mile stuff, some drag race stuff. I'm super excited for him. Congrats to him for this build. It's been a long time in the making, so appreciate you guys watching as always. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next episode of Eat Sleep Drive.